In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Shopify theme detector to check the name of a Shopify theme. This is a handy tool if you're curious about what theme a specific Shopify site is using, whether it's your own or another one you admire. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to easily discover the theme name, so you can learn more about its features. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to shopifythemedetector.com. This site is a straightforward tool specifically designed to identify Shopify themes. It provides a quick and effective way to recognize the themes running on various Shopify platforms simply by using their website address. Now, let me share a quick example that we'll walk through together. Currently, my Shopify site is set up using the Dawn theme, a popular choice known for its clean and versatile design. We'll use this scenario to see if the Shopify theme detector can accurately identify the theme in use. The steps here can be applied to any Shopify store you're curious about. The first action you'll take is to copy your site's URL link. This is the web address for your Shopify store or any other Shopify store you wish to check. To do this, simply go to your browser's address bar, highlight the URL, and copy it. This URL is crucial as it acts as the key to unlocking the theme information we want to uncover. Once you've got the URL copied, head back to the Shopify theme detector website. You'll find a designated area to paste the URL link you copied. Carefully paste it into the appropriate field. Double check to ensure the entire URL is captured correctly, because accuracy here will help the tool retrieve the right result. After pasting the URL, click on the button that says Detect Theme. It's a single straightforward click, and this action prompts the website to analyze the given URL, cross-referencing with a database to find the matching theme name. It's impressively quick, often making a determination in just a few moments. Once the detection process is complete, you'll see the results displayed on your screen. In our example, the tool detects the theme correctly as the Dawn theme. Having this information allows you to explore more about the theme's capabilities, and if it's a third-party store, you might consider using a similar style for your own shop. And that's all there is to it. With just a few minutes and the help of the Shopify theme detector, you can uncover the theme behind any Shopify storefront. This can be especially useful for anyone looking to draw inspiration or make theme comparisons. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.